How to set up the four-shooter. This system has one valve, and we want to add another 3. First, grab the valve unit. The white wire is your COM, the black wire is your field, and the 4 others, zone wires. Disconnect the good field wire from the valve and connect it to black. Connect all common wires together. Then connect one valve to each of the colors. You're done with the valves. Now grab the controller unit. Disconnect the good field wire from the controller and connect it to black. Then take your common wire and connect it to the common terminal. Connect colored wires to any valve terminal. Is 4 not enough? Let's add 4 more zones. Grab another color 4-shooter. Connect the black wire to the same good field wire. White to common terminal, and these 4 colors to the next 4 valve terminals of your choice. Here are the other 4 valves. Follow the same steps connecting the black to the same field wire, then each of the colors to the next 4 valves. That's it. You are now running 8 zones independently using only 1 common and 1 good field wire.